salvation, man. You know what I'm saying? Seek the knowledge and the truth of what the scriptures saying. That's it.
The best of your ability.
Like I tell all you brothers, man, don't let God intimidate you into believing their doctrines, man. All right, the word of the Lord is simple. It's real simple, man. All right. You don't have to go here, there, and try to convince somebody, man, through your orator skills. All right. When the precepts right there, the Lord word is plain, man. It's pure, man. That's right. It's plain, bro. You notice we hit certain precepts, get right to the point, man. All right? When you see a guy going here, there, here, before they get to the point, they trying to confuse you, man. All right? That's what that is, man.
They trying to lead the narrative.
They try to, that's the proper way of saying it.
Leading the narrative, yeah.
Leading the narrative, man. That's what they've been doing, even with the one bus camps. That's right. All right? That's a form of witchcraft. Just stick to the script. All right? We see all through the precepts that we read that Israel is referred to as different types of metal.
That's right.
Man, you think the world gonna end every day with them brothers? We're in World War III tomorrow, bro. We've been in World War III for 30 years, man.
Man, I'm telling you, man.
Man, we're gonna be on year 60, gonna be World War III coming.
Man.
So, like I say, and we see that the nations are the furnace that the Lord put us through. That's the affliction. All right? We know that, man, according to the precepts that we read. You see what I'm saying? And the Lord is the one playing the role of the smith in these instances, man. Always. Whether he uses angels to do it, it's still Yahawashi, man.
You might use a hailstone, like it, but it's still his instrument, man. Come on, bro.
Where we at?
It says, but these are called to frame them, to cast out those horns.
See, so those carpenters, that's the same four angels standing on the four corners of the earth, holding back the winds of the earth.
All right.
That's who that's referring to, man. They came to fray, meaning to bring terror, or to frighten, all right, those horns, man. Those nations, go ahead.
Which lifted up their horn.
That lifted up their power, go ahead.
Over the land of Judah to scatter.
That lifted up the power over the Israelites. That's right. All right? Like the so-called white man is doing right now. All right? Go ahead. Oh, that's it on that? Now let's get let's prove. Let's get some precepts. Psalm 91 and 11. We just gonna get some precepts, man, to show you that that's referring to those carpenters are referring to four angels, man, four spirits. Go ahead.
Psalms 91 verse 11. For he shall give his angels charge over thee.
See, he gonna give his angels charge. He give them the orders. All right, go ahead.
To keep thee in all thy ways.
All right, to terrorize the nations, man. All right, to protect us from the nations. Go ahead.
It says, for he shall give his angels charge over thee.
Come on.
To keep thee in all thy ways. They shall bear thee up in their hands.
See, the angels. Come on.
Lest thou dash thy foot against stones.
See, and that's the point. So the angels, those ministry spirits, that's who the Lord sent, man. Zechariah 2:1. All right, that's who the angels sent. That's why they're known as the four carpenters, rather the four craftsmen. All right, the four blacksmiths, the four metal workers, man. All right, when you look it up in different translations, man. All right, because sometimes the King James with the old English is hard to be understood, and you can get understanding sometimes through those different translations, man. Okay. All right, in the way that we talk in these times. So in the different translations, he referred to as the metal. I mean, those four carpenters is referred to as metal workers. All right, or artisans, you know, or blacksmiths. All right, craftsmen.
That's right, craftsmen.
All right. And what do a craftsman and a carpenter do?
Create, build.
Okay, and I'm gonna show you something else. Watch this. Get Revelation 11 and 1. 11 and 1. Because a carpenter got to have his tools, right?
Got to.
Let's see.
Revelation 11 and 1.
Read.
And there was given me a reed like unto a rod.
A measuring stick.
And the angel stood.
Come on.
Saying, rise.
And do what?
And measure the temple of Yahweh.
And measure that he made. Because he's a craftsman. He's a carpenter.
That's right.
All right?
And the altar.
Come on.
And them that worship therein.
Read on up.
But the court temple, leave out
And do what?
and measure it not.
Don't measure that, man. All right?
Come on,
Don't
man.
measure that.
Come on, man.
All right?
This is poetry.
It's
man.
poetry, man.
It's easy, man.
And a craftsman gotta have a measuring stick, bro. All right? Or your whole shit gonna be off, right?
House gonna be leaning.
Now I'm talking about your foundation gonna be fucked up.
Shaky, huh? A lot of you guys, the foundation shaky, huh?
Come.
That's them. That's the spirit.
Hey,
It ain't wobbling, huh?
they wobbling. All right, so that's why they known to as get that Zechariah 2:1. That 2:1.
All right, Zechariah 2 verse 1.
Keep that thing going.
I lifted up my eyes again
Come on.
and looked, and behold, a man with a measuring line in his hand.
With a what? A measuring line in his hand.
You got the measuring tape out.
Yeah, he got the measuring tape out because he's a carpenter, man. He a craftsman.
Come, swing.
Come on, man. That's why he got those tools, man.
I'm gonna hold it, huh?
In one of those translations, they call them they call those four carpenters. They call them workers with hammers.
Oh.
Yeah, because a carpenter, he got his hammer.
Come.
He
He got a tool
his
belt.
measuring tape.
He got a whole tool belt.
He got all the tools.
Hey, man, he ready, man.
But that measuring tape is that before you can use
Hey.
any tool, you need that measuring tape.
Yeah, come.
You gotta measure it first.
Gotta get the dimensions right, man.
Before the building
Come.
started, you got to measure it first.
Come. I'm telling you, bro. Hey, come.
You got to measure that wood, boy. You got to measure that metal. All right? Because what you think inside these buildings, steel beams.
Yeah,
All right? Steel beams. All right? They measure that, man.
you have to.
That got to be measured, man.
Exactly.
Because they got how many rooms going to be in the place. All that's laid out, man.
It's perfect.
It's perfect, man.
That's right, man.
Okay?
Like, we're gonna be good there.
Come on, man.
Perfect.
What that was, Zechariah
2 and 1.
Read 2.
Then said I, whither goest thou? And he said unto me, to measure Jerusalem.
Oh, the craftsmen, man. The carpenters. Man, that's the angel doing that, right?
That's the angel. That's
Those
the carpenters,
carpenters.
man.
Hey, you know.
It's all hey, the spiritual man gonna see, man. That's all I can say. And I guess Nebuchadnezzar on the four corners of the earth, man. I think he had the seats for Yahawashi, man. The 4 beats, huh?
Like I say, I advise you brothers, man.
Come on, man.
All you brothers, man, you just go back and read the scriptures, man.
Alexander the Great gonna come in and get us in Revelation.
Man.
Come on, bro. Come on, brother.
Get that Ezekiel 40 in
Come
you.
on, man.
So keep the thing going, man.
Let's keep going, man.
You know?
Ezekiel 40 and 1.
Now we proved that the furnace is the nations.
Come on, man.
All right? That oppress Israel.
Ezekiel 40 verse 1.
Come on.
In the 25th year of our captivity,
Okay.
in the beginning of the year,
Okay.
in the 10th day of the month,
Yeah.
in the 14th year after the city was smite,
After the city was smite, what happened?
in the self same day, the hand of the Lord was upon me
So
and brought me till it.
the Lord finna show the brother a vision. All right, come on.
And the visions of Yahweh brought he me into the land of Israel, and set me upon a very high mountain,
Okay.
by which was as the frame of a city on the south.
Come on.
And he brought me till it, and behold, there was a man
Amen.
whose appearance was like the appearance of brass, with a line of flax in his hand,
Come on. And what else?
and a measuring reed,
And a measuring reed,
and he
man.
stood in the gate.
So that was an angel, man. The Lord.
That's the Lord.
That's the Lord right there. The Lord got the measure. Hey, man, he's the competent. Amen.
Amen.
All right?
Come on, bro.
With the measuring stick in his hand. Go ahead.
And the man said unto me,
What he say?
Son of man,
Read.
behold with thy eyes, and hear with thy ears,
Read.
and set thy heart upon all
Yeah.
that I shall see thee,
on.
show thee, for to the intent that I might show them unto thee art thou brought hither. Declare all thou seest to the house of Israel.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah. Yeah. Verse 5.
And behold, a wall on the outside of the house round about.
A wall. Now we're gonna show that this is future prophecy that the vision that the prophet Ezekiel is receiving here. He say the wall was what?
He says, and behold, a wall on the outside of the house round about. And in the man's hand a measuring reed. of 6 cubits long by the cubit, and a hand breadth.
Now go to Revelation 21:15. Let's see that wall. See if it's talking about future prophecy.
Revelation 21:15.
Yeah, 17.
Revelation 21 verse 15. And he that talked with me had a golden reed to measure the city.
Same vision Ezekiel get from an angel.
And the gates thereof.
Come on.
And the wall.
And the
thereof,
what?
And the wall thereof.
Read down to 17.
And the city lie 4 square.
Now let's read about the city. Revelation 11. Start at 1. Let's read down to 6.
Revelation 11 and 6.
11 and 1. Read down to 6.
Revelation 11 verse 1. And there was given me a reed like unto a rod. And an angel stood, saying, Rise and measure the temple of Yahweh, and the altar, and them that worship therein. But the court which is without the temple leave out, and measure it not.
We're giving you an example of that thrashing instrument. Alright? This is the thrashing instrument that's going to come out of the furnace of affliction. Alright? Which is this captivity, this current captivity under Babylon. Alright? We give you an example of the instrument. This is what it's referring to.
For it is given unto the Gentiles, and the holy city shall they tread underfoot 42 months.
You know Israel is the holy city that's going to be treaded on. Come on.
And I will give power unto my 2 witnesses.
See, we're going to get the power, man. Alright? The Lord going to give us the power. Come on.
And they shall prophesy 1,260 days.
Alright, come on.
Clothed in sackcloth.
Read.
These are the 2 olive trees.
Read.
And the 2 candlesticks.
The Israelites, come on.
Standing before Yahweh of the earth.
Yeah, read.
And if any man will hurt them,
Now, if any man will hurt them, what he gonna do?
fire proceeded out of their mouth.
All right, we're gonna have the power. Come on,
And devoured their enemies.
and devour their enemies. Come on.
And if any man will hurt
And
them,
if any man try to mess with that elect, come on.
he must in this manner be killed.
In this manner, he gonna be killed, man. All right, that's that sharp thrashing instrument, man. That's that instrument that the Lord brought forth out of the furnace, meaning out of affliction, man. All right.
That's Zechariah 4 and 3. And the 2 olive trees,
The 2 olive trees, read.
by it, one upon the right side of the bowl, and the other upon the left side of the bowl, the 2 witnesses.
The 2 witnesses.
So I answered and spake, what to the angel that talked with me, saying, What are these, my Lord? Then the angel that talked with me answered and said unto me, Knowest thou not what these be? And I said, No, my Lord. Then he answered and spoke unto me, saying, This is the word of the Lord unto Sabaoth, saying, Not by my might, nor by my power, but by my spirit, said the Lord of hosts.
Israelite.
That's it. And Sabaoth was an example. That was an Israelite.
Yeah, Israelite.
Seed.
Yeah.
Zerubbabel.
Get that Philippians 3:21. We're gonna end it on this. We made our point. The point was that the Smith, the Lord is the one that's putting Israel in that furnace.
That's right.
Prove that that furnace is representation of the nations. All right, the affliction. All right, and we prove that Israel is referred to as metals. All right, and we prove that Israel is that metal that's coming out of that affliction that the Lord is going to use in the last days, referring to Revelation 11 and 1 through 6 to thrash the nations, man.
That's right.
Read what you got.
Philippians 3,
Verse 21.
verse 21.
We're going to end it on this.
Who shall change our vile body,
The who is Yahawashi.
That's right.
All right?
that it might be fashioned like unto his glorious body?
The vile body is the elect. And the Lord planned the role of a smith going to do what?
He says, according to the work,
Now read that
so
fast.
like, who shall change our vile body, that it might be fashioned,
That's what I wanted. Fashioned
might be fashioned like unto his glorious body.
like into his glorious body. So the Lord playing the role of the smith that's going to fashion the elect and make them glorious, man, when they come out of the other side of the furnace, all right, of affliction, okay? That, man, that's it, man. All right, we're going to close out, man. We hope you brothers was edified, man. All right, and with that, man, we're going to say all praises, honor, and glory goes to Yahweh, Godspeed, Shalom.
Shalom.